If you're somebody who hasn't started investing yet, but you're very eager to start, then this video might be interesting for you. I want to show you a way you can invest in some of the largest and most successful companies in the world, such as Amazon, Google, Facebook, with as little as €1. For someone who has never invested before, one of the biggest things that actually puts people off is when they look at a share price of a company like Amazon, which is currently at around $3,050 at the moment. And they see that and they think to themselves, oh, investing is only for rich people. There's no way I can actually invest with the share price at that kind of level. But this isn't true, as all retail investors these days are able to buy things called fractional shares, which allows you to invest with very small amounts of your savings. This has really leveled the playing field and made investing available to everybody who wants to do it. So what exactly are fractional shares?
Why don't you explain this to me like I'm 5?
So as the name suggests, buying a fractional share involves buying a small portion of a share. So you don't have to buy the whole share. You can buy, for instance, 0.1 of a share. You can buy 0.5 of a share. You can also buy 1.5 shares. So you don't have to buy the exact 1 share, 2 shares. You can just split it up, whoever suits the money that you have ready to invest. The great thing about this also is you can still receive your dividends as well. If you have, say, 1.5 shares in a company like Apple and they're paying a dividend, you will receive 1.5 times whatever the usual dividend is per share. So you still receive your dividends. If you are investing in Europe, then Revolut Trading are definitely the kings of offering fractional shares. For all of the different stocks that they have on their platform, they offer this fractional shares as an option. When you compare this to some of the other brokers, they might only do this for some of the popular stocks like your Google and Tesla, but they won't offer it for your smaller cap stocks. Another good thing about buying fractional shares on Revolut is they actually offer you to have your say in the company's AGM that you're invested in. So for example, here is an email that I got about the upcoming AGM for Bank of America. So based on the number of shares I have, there's a certain number of votes that I can use to appoint, say, new directors and stuff like that. So now I'll show you what it briefly looks like on their app to actually buy a fractional share in Amazon, which has a really high stock price. Okay, so I'm just going to get it up on my phone here. So I'm just going to search for Amazon on the Revolut Trading app here. And as you can see, the stock price at the moment is $3,060. So you're going to need a lot of cash behind you if you want to invest in one whole share of Amazon. But luckily with Revolut Trading, as I was saying, the fractional shares, if I just click buy here, I can choose to invest as little or as much as I want in Amazon. So I can just put in, say, $10 here. And that will give me only a very small fraction of one whole share of Amazon. Will give me about 0.3% of a share. But this allows a lot of investors to get in slowly and build up their wealth and not have to worry about having big amounts of money sitting around ready to invest before you actually get into it. So if you're new to investing, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, I would really appreciate it if you would like the video and sub to my channel for more content like this in the future.